We absolutely love this house. We first saw it 6 years ago and were attracted by the gardens. It was a beautiful layout. The house itself was lovely, but it didn't quite fit our family needs. So we undertook one massive project to create our perfect family home. When we created the new hallway, we knew that we just really wanted lots and lots of natural daylight to flood in. I found out about Vario by VELUX by doing an internet search. I was looking for something quite specific and I found them that way, and I chose them because they were able to construct exactly the sizes that we needed. The installation process was extremely simple. On day one, they craned all the windows onto the roof, and after a week, the installation was complete and we were delighted. The beautiful thing about Vario by VELUX is their profiling is very small, which therefore allows far more glass than you would normally get, and as a result, light just floods in. So we went for 4+1 roof lights. 4 of them were for the hallway, and the 5th one, the +1, was for our boot room. By adding an extra Vario by VELUX, we just gave it that extra edge of special factor. The greatest joy was when the windows were all finally fitted and we just saw the amazing effect it had on the hallway upstairs, and that was a real fantastic joy. And also looking at the house from afar and seeing what a lovely roof profile it had. One of our favourite things about the windows is that they have sensors. So previously we would never leave them open when we were out in case it started to rain, but now we can open up the roof lights on a lovely day like this and then not worry at all. Should it rain, they'll just automatically close. So you always come back to a lovely cool house on a summer's day. The first time I saw the roof lights installed, I felt so happy. I actually remember being at the top of the stairs, looking up, thinking, oh my word, why did we not do this from day one? And walking up and down the stairs all the time and kept looking at it. Yeah, I just felt so happy and delighted we'd taken that decision to do them.